Hello everyone, this is Lakshya Rai from iBusiness Institute, Greater Noida. I'm from the West 2021 to 2033. I have taken part in National Management Olympiad, and the case scenario which I got is electric vehicle India. That how we are going to promote electric vehicle in India. As we all know that government is planning to capture 30% of the market by 2030 with electric vehicle to make a ecological environment. But it's not that much either that we think that it's just a vehicle and it will start running in India like other casual vehicles. But the it's electric vehicle, fully different from the vehicle we use. So the first problem will be how we are going to change the mindset of the people. So we will not focus on rural areas. First we will focus on the urban areas and the developed cities, like because it is easy for us to change the mindset of those people who are educated enough and those who are having money to spend. In rural areas we all know that they are not having that much of amount, so they will focus on limited number of vehicle, and they will purchase the petrol or diesel engine. They will not understand about the electric vehicle easily. But urban areas, there are lots of people who are engaged in these activities, what is ecological environment and what is the eco-friendly, so they will understand and they will buy it. The second problem will be charging stations. So we will start not like charging stations will be not like petrol pump. We all know that petrol pumps are with the within the distance of 8 to 10 kilometers, every 8 to 10 kilometers. But charging stations are going to be like very rare, and the time taken by the charging is also very high. So we will focus on the charging stations that it should be nearby the users, like per 8 kilometers. We are not going to put charging station unnecessarily. We will just put the charging station first where the electric vehicle is high in sale, so that the consumer is able to buy it or use it. The second important thing will be third important problem will be the compatibility and the safety of the user. So we will focus on the innovation and the body structure of the vehicles at the house, so that it can provide a luxurious look as well as the safety purpose also, like airbags, like the body structure, the body should be solid, and the engine should be in place, like while having an accident, it should be given, it should reduce the damage and all. So we will focus on these kinds of topics, like the main problems they are going to face, and everything is mentioned I have mentioned